Did you know that most workers toggle between apps 10 times every hour? It adds up. Over the course of a year, all that toggling results in about 32 days of lost workplace productivity. It also represents a lot of work on the part of employees just to get the information they need, navigating countless technology solutions, many of which have the same or similar features, which is a big deal when they need to get things done fast. For example, consider what happens when a maintenance supervisor has to coordinate the response to a broken machine. They need quick answers to a lot of questions, such as who's on the clock, who has the right training and skills for the task at hand, who's fully deployed already, and who has capacity, where are they? Answering those questions alone could require navigating 3 or 4 systems, and that's just the start. From email to scheduling systems, HR, project management and finance systems, it could take them hours to get from "who can work on this now" to "we've got someone on the scene." But with SAP SuccessFactors Work Zone, they can use one system to find the right person to help fast. Take Deloitte's Maintenance Supervisor Reimagined scenario, for example. It's built on SAP SuccessFactors Work Zone and works for manufacturers when they need to find and deploy the right people quickly to respond to equipment breakdowns. When the supervisor enters a maintenance request in the system, Maintenance Supervisor automatically draws data from different systems to conduct some quick triage, generating a list of available employees who have the skills and training needed. Then, rather than making supervisors pick up the phone or write an email to request assistance, Maintenance Supervisor facilitates everything, all in one system, right at that moment. And it's all mobile. From entering the maintenance request to contacting the right employee for the job, all of that took just about 4.5 minutes. That's the digital workplace in action, putting humans in the center of solutions, connecting them with what they need when they need it, regardless of their location or the devices they're using. And it's only one example of many different ways we're helping clients put SAP SuccessFactors Work Zone to work to deliver stronger business outcomes faster across the business. Isn't it time to bring the digital workplace to your organization? Deloitte can help you make it a reality today.